This is really go on the internet. This is the most bizarre thing in the world.
Guys, we're looking to the Lincoln Ham Swamp.
They actually inject polio vaccine into the tubes.
Go down the line here and do the usual walk around routine. So you guys get a lay of the land.
That's good. You told me that. I said if they do test good though, I remember 10 days. I heard you say that.
The goodies.
And he couldn't give you a bad review. Even though he knows what it is.
How's it going, guys?
Good. Good morning.
I did warn you, it's kind of like that. But I did find it in the location. But you might, I mean, it might be worth sometime when somebody's over who does it to go look for it to find connections.
Are you having a good time, sweet? Should I get you glasses?
Hey,
Hello, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
Hi. Hello. How are you?
Good. Having a good time.
That's what it's all about, right?
Yeah, this is really fun.
Social hangout
Yeah.
and whatnot.
Assume that they're not free.
Wow.
So somebody hit the free.
Yeah, it's a
token.
small convention.
All right, let's see what else we got here, guys.
No.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Okay. Well, enjoy the rest of the show.
All righty. Do the same.
All right, we will.
How you
How you doing?
guys?
Pretty good. You filming for the club or?
No, I got a YouTube channel though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Wavelength Radio. So I do the swaps and then I record a lot of the nets live.
Okay. Are you like local or?
Nevada.
Nevada. Okay. All right, awesome. All right. What's your channel?
It's Wavelength Radio.
Okay, I'll check it out.
Yeah, yes.
Okay,
Just a
we'll do
lot of nets, a lot of AM stuff, and
Yeah.
a couple projects, that sort of thing. So
Fun stuff.
Yeah.
I like doing that at work. When
Yeah,
I'm
it's fun to do. I don't
Yeah.
make a dime on it, just fun to do.
Okay. Well,
Take care.
great. All right. Have a good day.
Pretty heavy.
6 meters.
Yeah. Hey, well,
That's got Bill
Well, I have a 6 meter vertically polarized, but yeah, you do.
how you
I
doing?
didn't want to screw up your video.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Walk in front. You're all good.
Be brave. Well, the problem is it's this DNC, but times where you
Best thing to happen. Bye.
Silent key sale.
I would say that would be the.
Everybody's checking it out. Alright, let's go down yonder and see what we got here. Got some boat anchors. Wells here.
As bad a shape as runners.
DX60.
That stuff wants to go home with you.
Oh gosh, I just
You can
rebuilt
take
one and got
pictures
rid
of
of
it too.
So it's time for another one.
So yeah, time for another one. Right. I'll think about it.
Okay.
Oh,
I
heaven
just
forbid.
walked in the
Putting
door.
me off.
Okay.
How you guys doing today?
Fine.
All right.
We're watching
Another beautiful day in Lincoln.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead, another story.
Sure.
I always get a kick out of your story. I ask him stuff. He always answers my questions. You just gotta know what's better. Project boxes. Some little tiny CBs. Yep.
And 100A, Lafayette. Box of CB radio. You need that Yoda for the top of your rig, you know?
Yeah.
Baby Yoda.
So say you don't want 10 meters, you want more.
I got a couple Arc 5 parts units if you want.
What is this at?
You were across the way.
How you doing?
Good, thank you.
I've got the 3 amp as well. It's real small that I use with my 705.
To buy the drives, the controller, and cut out some masonry.
Guys I know right there.
It was in the magazine. So you had to wait every month to figure out.
John, did you say that was 10?
What? Meter? No, 2 meters.
What's just 2?
2 meters. Chip, you don't have one.
No, I got one.
He always talked like he can't believe. We walked a fine line between getting doing too much testing.
Need a speaker? Where you count? This is Bill. This is Bill. Now there's a legend right there. What's happening? Legendary K6LK.
Hey, did you get a release from me to,
No releases.
oh, no releases?
You're in the public.
Hey, well, come on over. I'm giving away a,
Let me guess. I bet you that's yours over there.
you know what?
I said put it away.
You're good at guessing.
The raspberry that you got to the internet. I said,
I didn't see any metal detectors though.
get somebody
And you
or
won't.
bring the tower down, and he says get the sensors, and he goes. He said I would. That's what I would do. He goes because right there you can get those on eBay for a couple $100 to receive. Except the raspberry. So
After I make this run, I'll put the camera back and I'll come chat with you. All right?
At where?
Yahoo.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Yeah, no problem.
I am the tax man.
No, I don't need another one of them.
But I got your flyer.
All right, guys, here we go.
Well, you need to go buy some.
Oh, there's.
And nobody has the.
I've never seen a 6-year before.
Hey, ya te quiero micrófono.
Ahorita estamos viendo un trato con eso, pero tengo que comprar.
Good morning, Dennis. I just wanted to check to see how I'm getting in with the handheld. I'll tell you what. You won't talk to me.
Yeah. I know he won't take too long. He might drop another 25, but
Okay.
All right.
Thank you for your time.
You bet.
Chuck.
Yes, sir.
You bet.
Gentlemen, morning. You have to set it on its side so it can get in the shack.
Yeah. That's a long wire tuner.
Hey, there he is.
What's happening? I'll catch you on the way back and put this thing away. That's a legend there. You got,
Seen Mike?
Yeah, I
Comes
did.
with a big tube.
Giant tube of these.
Oh.
This thing here.
Well, 3,500.
3,500? Oh, well, those are good tubes. Are you selling the tubes?
I think it comes with that.
Oh, it comes with that. Oh.
Yeah, but I don't see the socket ring.
No, you're right. I don't see the socket. But I've got an amplifier that uses that socket. Do you? Yeah. Those are IMAX. They're probably Yeah, I don't have quite that big, but I've got some stuff that I was going to build an amplifier with. I've got 75. I've got some 830.
You get this mask. You have one of those because they made one.
All the trains and all that.
Yeah, that's really nice. Smile, you're on candid camera.
Yes, you are.
Good morning.
YouTube channel.
Yeah. Happy Ham Fest.
Yes, happy Lincoln Ham Fest.
Happy Lincoln Ham Fest
right.
at McBain Park.
That's right.
Come out now.
I do.
Exactly.
Get your donuts. Test station they always provide.
It's $4.
It'll work.
Problem with this one?
See what else we got here,
He's
guys.
got the giant building, and then he's got a house with a facade in the front of the building, and that's his grandmother's house that he's living in till they build his $1 million home on the land that he bought. It's like, he owns 13 acres. I said, look, a quarter acre, that's all I want. Just give me a quarter acre in the corner. No, I can't move to Texas and leave my wife here in California. And the kids.
I mean, I granted, torquing them down is a little bit of a science, but
Yep.
well, yeah.
Karen's really tired. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Nemo. Oh yeah, sure. They charged me for two spots because I parked in one and we had took stuff in the other one, so I kind of got you.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hey, dude. I'm being
When these first came out, they were the handiest damn thing you could have. And now you can't buy them. I don't know what they did. You can't get charges for them or anything else. They've got these rinky-dink stuff from China.
Oh, and go skiing. Get ready for ski season. Excellent.
Now I know why you made that noise. You got out of it. How you doing, Chris? Good. Thanks for taking care of me. Carl, what's that? No. Actually,
somebody made a site change and caused a bunch of interference to your equipment or whatever. It's hard to track down that kind of stuff on site when you're not prepared for it. Figure out what the heck's wrong.
All right, guys. Well, that's your Lincoln walk around ham swap here for 2023. Hope you liked it. Like, share, subscribe, Wavelength Radio, and time for me to go shopping. Talk to you later.